got about 20 full-time factory staff. The most we sort of employ is 25. So as you can see on the screen there, it's taking a picture of the hide. What Parkin will do now is he'll go through and mark out any imperfections. So he's got the little digital pen there. So what he's doing now is marking out any imperfections on the hide. So the machine also has punches in there, so what the punches do, you can see and hear them going down. So they just punch guide holes in the apron, so they're easier for the operators to line up. Oh, it was such a cool process to watch the machine get installed, and we were really proud of it. Yeah, it's been a huge investment by our owners. It's a really, really cool piece of kit. So since we've invested in the machine, the yield's increased, so it's just savings for us. So as you can see, it's pretty efficient. There's not really many gaps that aren't there. It works out what's the most efficient way to lay it out and the least wastage. With the new machine, we can increase the number of employees, so we can have 2 people operating it. So we can have one person sorting as JacksonStone, the other person feeding on the other side. So these bins here are all the sorted product. So once it comes off the cutting press, all their components are laid out into the box here. The box is basically ready for the machinist to grab. 4 full-time machinists. They're essentially sewing and making the aprons. So we'll add a chisel pocket or a chisel insert in here. The tape clip goes on here as well. They'll add the cell phone pouch on it. They'll combine the right and left hand side. They'll add the work belt. They'll do all the labelling, all the product tags, all the hang tags will be added, and then they'll go through to dispatch ready to be sent out. Most of the machines are fairly old. Yeah, they're trusty machines. All the New Zealand made aprons have our New Zealand made tag on it. This is a tag that we got specifically made for us. We're really proud to be a New Zealand manufacturer. I think it gives us a competitive advantage. People like to buy New Zealand made. A lot of the tradespeople we talk to will buy New Zealand made and make a point of buying New Zealand made, supporting a New Zealand manufacturer and supporting New Zealand. So this is one of our roofing aprons. It's an apron that we designed specifically for the trade. Saw a need out there and made it happen basically.